You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is at 38.4k level and we see this drastic move to the downside. Yesterday, I was expecting a retracement before continuation, but that does not happen. And right here on the ETH chart, we see the market go back right down on the one-day chart to this very level. I was talking about resistance here, turn support at this area. 4-hour chart, ETH, the same drastic move to the downside, and right now market is at this very level. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance, yesterday I said this very point of resistance is very important, and if you see the market start coming back down, you should know that ETH is going to come back down. Market did come down, and also on BTC. What are we expecting in the market if the Bitcoin dominance keep going back down? All of these and more in today's video, so watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you receive update like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Yesterday in my previous analysis, I was talking about this rejection to the upside, but I was also looking for a crossover on the MACD line and the signal line. Not only that, I was also looking at the histogram start formation on the positive side of the MACD. Except I see this thing, then we are still in a downtrend. One thing I want to establish today is that until we see a break of key structure on the one-day chart right here, then the market is still in a downtrend. Until we see the market move straight to the upside and break this level of resistance, then know that we are still in a downtrend. And if market break through this very area, this is the 34k level, then that will be very, very bad for Bitcoin, because we're going to see the market go back right down. So this is what you should be paying attention to on Bitcoin. For our chart yesterday, I was looking at the market retracing a little bit to the downside before we see continuation, and I was looking at this very level of 42k as the target, but the market just dropped right down, and that was as a result of the fact that the Bitcoin dominance go back to the downside. Right now, what I am expecting is a little retracement to the upside before continuation, because this was an aggressive move. It creates a new low, lower than the previous low right here. So I'm expecting the market to just go up a little bit before we see continuation to the downside. The market could create a new low or a pause on this very level of support. So this is what I am paying attention to: market retracement before continuation on the BTC USD 4-hour chart on the immediate short term. On ETH right here, we see the same drop on ETH to this very level of support. I have been talking about this very level of resistance, that if market break this very area, this very level of support, we will see the market come back right down into this very level of support, which was resistance at this very area. The MACD line and the signal line have not crossed for each other, neither do we see the histogram forming on the positive side. Everything is still down right now, and that also means that we are still in a downtrend. So until we see a breakthrough key levels, that means until we see the market go up and show much strength and break this very level of resistance right here at this very level of 3.1k level, then we are still in a downtrend. So right now, pay attention to this level, because if we see a breakout on this very level of support, then that will send Ethereum back into this level of 2.5k right at this area. So this is what I am paying attention to on ETH one-day chart. On the 4-hour chart right here, the same drastic move that occurred on Bitcoin is right here on ETH, and what I'm paying attention to is a retracement to the upside before continuation to the downside. So markets have to retrace a little bit to the upside before we see continuation of this move to the downside as well. Market will potentially pause at this very level of support. So this is what I am paying attention to on ETH USDT 4-hour chart on the immediate short term. Now looking at the Bitcoin dominance right here, as we see the market begin to drop right down, this aggressive move to the downside, we see ETH drop right down and Bitcoin drop right down as well. What I'm expecting right now is the market to come back down into this area. So this very point is where we see the market move drastically from in the past. So market could potentially come into this very zone and find support around around this area before we begin to move to the upside. So I'm expecting the market to come back down a little bit on the Bitcoin dominance, enter into this level of support, then market will move up again. So as market begin to dip right down, we are going to see Ethereum go down and BTC is going to go down as well. Once the market begin to go up, either from this level where it is or from this very level of support, and market begin to move to the upside, then we are going to see ETH move to the upside and Bitcoin is going to move to the upside as well. So always pay attention to the Bitcoin dominance, BTC USD for our chart. Do you think market is going to go right up to this very point of resistance, or we're going to see the market go back up a little bit in form of a retracement before we see the market go back down again? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, $600 bonus on Bybit, KuCoin, and OKX, link in the description of this video, and do a registration right away. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.